All right, everybody, welcome back to this podcast for today, Toxic Talk. I just want to talk about like the US dollar and what it could be like, why some people basically would love to see the US dollar stay as the global reserve currency and all Bitcoin standard, something like Bitcoin standard to come replace it. And why I see people, some people wouldn't like that, and what I think about it. Like I feel the pain that could cause, right, to something like this, because you're gonna have those people, those retirees who rely on the US dollar to be as a reserve currency. They will get hurt, right, in the process of a replacement. I can see that happen, but yeah, I know it's maybe like something very difficult for a lot of people. It may not be advantageous to lose the reserve currency, as US dollars, right? I can say it's not gonna be a choice, right? I mean, when you are in advantage of something, right? It's not gonna be up to you to decide whether you're gonna have the reserve currency or not. If it was up to you, you would never give up on it, right? So because of the fact that it's gonna be by natural forces, either by superpowers or other forces that will get you end up losing your reserve currency. And it's gonna be very bad for retirees, because they are betting on the fact that the US dollar will stay very strong, right? This is why it's so dangerous to be just a retiree, at those times, because when a currency like Canadian dollar or the British pound or some of those currencies, they are correlated to each other, right? They are really strongly correlated, right? So because they each other, they are friends with each other, and we can see that, right? So because they do business to each other, and the culture are similar in some ways, and those things like even Mexican pesos, it's also correlated to the US dollar. All those close nations will get affected, and this is just the way it is. It is what it is. But with some other places, like you see Russia, and you have like the Chinese a currency. Those things. The problem with this, they try to create a different reserve currency. They try to create like this common reserve currency within the BRICS nations, all of them, between all those friends together. So now this may work for a while, and I think it may work for longer than we think. Like just like the US dollar, we never thought it was gonna work for this long, right? But now it's gonna work for quite a while. But what I think may happen though is the fact that it could end up in situations where people find out like, okay, no, your currency is based on gold, right? Now people are gonna dig the gold like all over the places. You're gonna have these companies try to raise capital to create, to go dig as many gold as possible, right? So you're gonna have so much competition into those, and all those companies are gonna try to create as many gold as possible. And this is one of the problems, though. Like with gold, there is no difficulty adjustment like Bitcoin, right? So I can go like dig as many gold as I can. Like if there's like a possibilities. Like you see places like Canada, like Mexico, so many other places. You're gonna have so much with technology now. You have big advancement, and these companies will create more and more strategies to create more gold. But with Bitcoin, there's a difficulty adjustment, right? It doesn't matter how powerful, how much electricity you have, but if you mining so much, right, you're gonna have competition, and the difficulty gonna go up. So if the difficulty go up, so it's become more and more difficult, and it becomes harder and harder to get more Bitcoin. And not only that, every 4 years there is halving, right? There's not that in gold. So now I understand the fact that, well, it's going to be very much a basket of commodity currencies for the BRICS nation. You have like silver, gold, you have like some like wheat and real stuff. It makes sense, right? Because we need, like, if you want to trade things for real stuff, not like fake currency like fiat you can just print out of thin air. Like, this will be definitely a better world, I think, right? But with very cautious, because with the fact that people can just go create so much more and go dump it on the market, right? That's a problem you could have. So that's one thing. But with Bitcoin, the advantage of it is the fact that you cannot, there's a difficulty adjustment. That's a powerful thing. And this is this is the eye of Bitcoin in our physical world. It's the fact that it can adjust itself to the difficulties. This is what tells Bitcoin what's going on, right? When human greed, catch on and start to mine, right? So this is what tells Bitcoin, hey, we should adjust the difficulty, because too many people try to mine, too many people try to get this thing, right? So this is what you end up having. So yeah, I just wanted to throw this out there. And yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this. This was the Toxic Talk for today. Yeah, so support this channel. I love your support. I love your comments. And let me know what you think. What did I get wrong or right? Yeah, let me know. So, and then also I got the link below if you want to support me. It's not easy, right? To always maintain this channel, and you have gonna sometimes do like a lot of work to maintain the channel. So if you want to support me and you want to let more and more people know about this, and you want to share the video, just sharing, comment is good. Not necessarily money. If you want to send me some sats, also you can stream me sats on Fountain. I got the address below. And well, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you again.